On this mind-blowingly quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert a YouTube Shorts link to a normal YouTube link. First things first, I'm on YouTube right now, of course, and you can see up here, this is the way a YouTube Shorts link typically works. And if I click play, if you want to see, this is a video of me having a gin and tonic while doing a handstand. It's a fun little like YouTube short and everything. And when it comes to this, if let's say I want to copy and paste it, in some situations, for whatever reason, sometimes this particular link just doesn't work well. It can cause some issues. Here's how to convert it to a normal YouTube link. First thing I'm gonna do is go to YouTube. Doesn't matter. I'm just gonna go to any video. Doesn't matter what the video is. Let's do this one by Rainbow, the crazy guy when it comes to GeoGuessr and doing the crazy, like, he can find where you are. What I'm gonna do is go up to here to this link. I'm gonna go back here to the Shorts link, and I'm gonna copy and paste the end of it. This weird kind of jumble of text. I'm gonna go to copy. Then I'm gonna go back here. Again, doesn't matter what this YouTube video is. I'm gonna go here, and when it comes to the equal sign, I'm gonna go here, delete. So make sure it looks like this. Then I'm gonna copy and paste that code from the YouTube Shorts link. Once I do, you now notice, same YouTube short and everything, but now this looks like a normal YouTube video. I can hit play, and it plays like a normal YouTube video, except you can see with the layout, with the way it looks, with everything, this is now a normal YouTube video and a normal YouTube video link. It is that simple and that easy. I hate YouTube videos that ramble on longer than they have to be. One thing I will say is make sure you test this out. Like say you want to send this link to whoever or use it for something, make sure, like I showed you at the end, that you test it out. Just make sure it's the exact YouTube short that you want and that link is functioning properly, because when it comes to that weird jumble of text, if let's say you're one character off, if let's say you by accident copy and paste the whole thing, but you miss one, or whatever the case is, that link will not work. So make sure you test it out like we just did, and then you're good to go.